Have you been feeling lost or depressed, or things are not just working for you, and you feel disturbed that this might be caused by diabolical means or people who are after your success? That might not be totally true. The simple answer might be in your birth date number. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you the hidden secret of your birthday's number. And this will invariably lead you to understand your life path, the things that you should do, and the things that you should not be doing to achieve success. You are welcome back. My name is Lukman, and on this channel, we talk spirituality. We look at simple life hacks and spiritual tips. We also talk money. If you are new, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. You are not paying anybody. The reason why you subscribe is that when I release videos, important videos like this, you will be the first to be notified. Let's get into it. Teaching you how to calculate your birth date number to have your life path numbers. We use your birth date numbers. I bet you don't know this. This is a secret. Only few people know. But we can use your birth date or your birthdays, the numbers, we can use it to calculate your life path, to tell you where you should be, what you should do, and the things you can do to achieve success very fast. So I'll be showing you how to calculate these birthday numbers. That's number one. Number two, I'll be showing you the meaning of these numbers, your life path numbers, or what you call spiritual numbers. Some people even call it angel numbers. I'll be showing you this. And I'll be showing you the importance of these numbers in numerology and as they affect your life. Some people are successful because they understand this little secret. Why some are not? Because they don't really understand the secret behind these numbers. Your birthdays are not just there for the fun of it. There are reasons why you were born on that day. And there are people who study these numbers. They are called numerologists. They study it and they come up with numbers and they fit your life. Initially, when you are young, you might not know this, but as you grow, as you age, you understand the meaning of this. If you understand it, you start understanding how they fit your life. And most of the things you do will become meaningful. That is, your life path will become meaningful to you. You now understand things better than before. Now, how do we calculate? In numerology, if you want to calculate your birthday, say for instance, 13th December 1992, 1993, the date will come first, as in 13. Then the month, you have to write it out in full, which is like December. Then the year, 1992. Now, if you want to use 13 December 1992 as our example, there are so many dates, your own date. You can use your date of birth. But after teaching you this, you understand what I mean. If you use 13 December, December is the 12th month in the year. So you write 13. You also write 12 instead of writing December. After writing December, you write 12. I'm going to be showing you this practically. Then you write 12. Then you now write 1993, 1993. Now, you want to add the numbers together. You now add 13. 1 plus 3 will give you 4. December, which is 12. 1 plus 2 will give you 3. Are you with me? So, 1993, 1993. 1 plus 9 will give you 10. 10 plus 9 will give you 19. 19 plus 3 will give you 20. 19 plus 3 will give you 22. 22. 19 plus 3 will give you 22. So, and in numerology, there are numbers that you cannot divide. further because we work with digit number, that is one whole number. That is why we are able to add 13. We add it together because we work with one whole number, one digit number. 1 plus 3 will give you to give us 4. 1 plus 2, which is 12, will give us 1 plus 2 will give us 3. We want one digit number. But there are numbers like 11, 30, 22, 33. If you have those numbers, you cannot reduce them to one digit. And in our case, 1993 is 22. So we cannot, there is no way you want to reduce it. There is no way you want to reduce it. So it will be 22. So what you do is 1 plus 3, which is 4. 1 plus 2, which is 2. You now add 4, which is 3. 4 plus 3 will give you 7. 7 plus 22 will now give you 29. If you have 29, you have to reduce 29 to one whole number or one digit number. 29, it means 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 will give you 11. And since giving you 11, you cannot reduce that because it is a master number. In numerology, maybe I should say this. You have 12 numbers. 12 numbers. You have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4, you have 5, you have 6, you have 7, you have 8, you have 9. You don't have 10 because 10 will be reduced to 1 plus 0, which is 1. So we have 1. Now we have 11, we have 22, and we have 33, which are the master numbers. The first number 1 to 9, they are the life path numbers, spiritual numbers. But 11, 12, 22, 33 are master numbers. You cannot reduce this number. These numbers are the way they are. So if you calculate your birth date and you have 11, or you have 22, or you have 33, those are master numbers. You cannot reduce them. You cannot reduce them. But if by chance you calculate and the whole calculation reduced to 10, 1 plus 0, you have to add it. It will give you 1. It will give you 1. Or you calculate and it reduced to 19 or 18. You must add them together. That is 1 plus 9 will give you 20. And 20 also, you have to reduce 20. 2 plus 0, which is 2. So your life path number will be 2. But if you calculate the numbers and they are 18, it means 1 plus 8 will give you 9. 9 is 9. So is your life path is 9. And all these numbers, they have meanings. Like I said, these spiritual numbers tell you about yourself. Tells you the things that you should do and the area that you should not go into. There are some things you should go. People with spiritual number 1 have different life path to somebody with spiritual number 4 or spiritual number 6 or 8 or 7. Everyone has his own. My spiritual life number or my life path number is 9, and 9 has its own meaning. So we'll go into this. I hope by now everyone should know how to calculate. If you don't know, what I'll suggest is try to watch this video over and over again because it is straightforward. But I promise that before I end this, I'm going to explain how to calculate one more time. So that will be at the end. So just watch till the end. But there is nothing wrong in watching and watching. Don't just watch half and run away. This is not a video that you can watch for 1 second or 10 seconds or 20 seconds and run. You must take time to watch from the beginning to the end. Because if you skip, you might be skipping the most important part. After calculating your birth date numbers, if your number comes 1, that means your spiritual life path is one. And if you are one, you are very lucky. One means the beginning. Most people with these numbers are very successful people. Very successful people. And they are trailblazers. They make a lot of innovations. They do things others have not done before. Even if you have done it, they will do it in a way that they will be successful. They are always very successful, and they are always very innovative. They do things, they are creative. They do things and come out top. In most cases, they are leaders. They are leaders. They are achievers. They achieve things beyond people's imagination, beyond their own imagination. They achieve things, and anywhere they find themselves, they are natural leaders. They are CEOs of big companies. If they work for people, they will be either CEO, COO, or the manager, because they are always at the top. They have natural leadership tendency. They tend to lead while others follow them. They are what I call innovators. They innovate, and they are successful as it. A typical example is Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs belongs to Spiritual Life Path 1. If you don't know Steve Jobs, is the CEO, is the owner of Apple Computers.